Hello guys, I'm Limitless Coder. I hope you are all doing well. And today's video is gonna about Locators and join the community of Limitless Coder. This channel is not just about me; it is about us, a community of Limitless Coder who share the same love for Limitless Coder. Don't forget to hit the like button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out latest adventures of Limitless Coder. So let's get right into the video. Today's topic is Locators and why we are using locators, the regular doubts, how to use the locators, how to find the path. I found the element. Okay, now just created the day 3 class of Java. Then I'm mentioning the main, doing the main function here. Then we are going to do to initiate a WebDriver. Okay, just by giving this WebDriver the reference name and then the driver class name. Okay, Chrome driver. Okay, driver get https. This is the URL of Google. Not showing that. We'll use the Facebook page for the example. Okay, now the another method to get the URL is driver.navigate 2.string. Okay, I'm just going to copy this URL to paste it here. Now what is the difference between, here I'm noting down, what is the difference between get and navigate method? In the get method, the user, it is used to load the URL of the page and it will not store the browser cookies. Here we cannot perform any navigations such as forward, back and refresh. But in navigation, it is used to load the URL of the page and it will store browser cookies. Here we can perform navigations forward, back and refresh. This is the small difference between the get and navigate method. So I'm just cancelling this one, just erasing this one, and then going to do with the get method. Now we go for a run this code, and then we'll get a browser loading. Yeah, it is loading here. Okay, just wait for a few seconds. Yeah, it is done, I think so. Wait, I will drag it for you. After the okay, after the URL send it, and it will be logged in here. Okay, now today we are going to see about the locators. There are 8 type of locators here. Okay, there are the 8 types of locators, and all the locators takes an argument of type string. Okay, what are they? Locators. Okay, just going to write it down. Locators. What are the 8 types of locators? 8 types. 8 types of locators. What is this? First one is ID. We are using it regularly. The second one is name. The third one is class name. The fourth one is tag name. And the fifth one is link test. Seventh one is partial link test. Then I think this is the sixth one. Okay, and the seventh one is CSS selector. Some of know about CSS. CSS is nothing but it's a cascading style sheet. It is used to styles the HTML pages. The last one is XPath. Okay, yeah, this is the main thing. You're going to find all the locators by using an XPath. Okay, what is locators? The static methods which are used to identify the elements which are present in the web page. Okay, what are the static methods which are used to identify? Okay, just showing you the browser here. Okay, just inspect this one. We can get a body tag here. Okay, for the username it will display it here. Input is a tag name, type is an attribute name, and this text, you are seeing this right now, right? This is the attribute value. Just now I'm writing down here a simple tag which is in Facebook. Okay, a input is a tag name, and what we have seen there, yeah, and the type type is equal to text, right? And we are going to give the ID for this one. ID is email, right? We have done it before. And then just closing this input tag. Okay, here we can see the input is a tag name. Okay, tag name of a element. Yeah, you can see this element. Okay, this is a tag name. Input is a tag name for this one. What is mean by type? It is not just by type, it is an attribute. Type is an attribute name, and is equal to value is attribute value. Okay, I will draw a method. Okay, just wait while using an auto draw. Just using auto draw, I will draw it too. Here you can see, just I'm pasting this code here. Oh, just sorry, just cut this code and paste it here, right? Okay, yeah. What is this? And what is this? And what is this? And what is this? And what is this? So I'm going to say this just a input is just a, sorry, just increasing the font. Input is just a tag name. Okay, and here what is the this? This means the attribute name. Just decreasing the size of this one. Okay, just copy and paste it here too. And what is this one? It's nothing but it is an attribute value. Attribute value. Okay, this is an attribute value. Just copying down and paste it down here. Okay, now you can see this. What is the input means? It is a tag name. And what is the type means? And it is an attribute name. What is meta text, which is in a double quotes, which is attribute value? What is an ID? It is an attribute name. What is an email? This enclosed within the double quotes, it is attribute value. Okay, now we are doing with these elements, we can find the correct path of an element, one web element. Okay, now what is the first one? I'm saying this ID. Okay, just using this driver reference name dot find element by dot ID. Okay, what is the ID for an username which you are seeing regularly? Okay, what is the username for, what is the okay, what is the ID here? It is email, right? For the username, for this username, it is shown as ID is equal to email. So now we are going to give this ID email. Okay, just to control 2L, is used to return a web element. Okay, this is username, right? Username. Yeah. Okay. Next, for this ID, okay. Now I'm going to pass the value of username. Okay, username dot send keys. Send keys is limitless coder. Okay, just going to run this code and check it down. For an ID we can get this email, I mean for this particular thing. Okay, yeah, here it will be typed to the username. Okay, next we are going to do by using this for driver dot find element. What is the second locator here? It's a name. Okay, okay, we are going to find the name of an element. Okay, here what is the name here? It is also the same email. Just type this email and control to get a return type. Then I'm going to write this username. Now we can run this code and it will be entered there in the username. Okay, here it is running. Yeah, it was run. Okay, it was done by two locators. And what is the third one? It is the class name. Now we are going to see about the class, which is driver dot find element by dot class name. Here you can see where is the class name present here. Okay, where is the class name present here? This is the class name, right? Here there is no class name here. Okay, just going to copy this and no, I do not done before this one, so I'm just going to do username. Okay, okay, if it is run means it was okay, if it is not means I can use class for this class for that one. Okay, it was doing run. If it is find it or not, no, it shows some error. What is the error here? Exception in thread.main, invalid selectors exceptions. Okay, if we could not find the current I mean correct locator, it will show the error as invalid selector exception. Okay, okay, now we can use it as in a class. Just cancel this one. Okay, by dot class. Is this a method there? Oh, at last we can see about the class name. Okay, now we are going to the tag name. What are the tag name here? It is an simple thing. What is the tag name here? It is the input. Okay, this is the input. By selecting this separately and separated locator, why we are doing all those things? It will done all, I mean these things are all done in XPath. Okay, now we are going to, now we are going to do the XPath here. How to find the XPath of a, yeah, here it will be asking, right? Now how to find the XPath here? XPath is nothing but if there is, in this tag name, ID, name and class which are not present, to validate the locators we can use the XPath. This is the, now okay, just wait, just writing here XPath syntax here. Start it down. Okay, this is tag name. Okay, then at attribute name. and then it's equal to the single quotes we can give attribute value. Okay, close the single quotes and close the square bracket. This is the syntax of the XPath. Now we are going to write the main syntax. Okay, here we can see the tag name. Okay, so we can write input. Okay, input, or what is it say, input. Then we have to go like this. What is the attribute name here? ID. I'm using ID. Okay, ID ID is equal to email is the attribute value, right? No, we don't use the double quotes. We can use the single quotes here. Yeah, even it is working or not, you can check it out. Okay, just by copying this and pasted it here. You can give the control F, you can find the selector or find a string. Yeah, it was showing, right? 1 of 1. Here it will be shown, right? By giving the enter and the locators was selected, you can see here. Okay, see here, you can see here it will be selected right here. Is 1 of 1. Now we are going to copy this one, then we are going to enter here, then get the return type as username. Okay, now the error was gone. Okay, now we can run the code, it will show the output. Yeah, it was done, right? This is the easiest method which to find the locator, which is ID. Okay, it is XPath, right? So it is the easiest method, because when you are not able to find an ID name or class name to validate the locators, now you can use the XPath to find the exact location of the element. Okay, now we can do for password. Okay, the same we can do for the password. Here we can cancel it. Okay, now I'm going to select this one where it is here, right? Okay, what is the tag name here? It is input, right? Input. Then I'm going to use this name as pass. Okay, what is the attribute name as name is equal to, what is the attribute value here? Just pass. Oh, sorry, I'm typing here, right? Sorry. Input, and then name is an attribute name. Okay, then give the pass for the attribute value. Now we can select the locator for the password. Okay, here you can see this in the left side window, left hand side. Yeah, it is selecting, right? Now I'm going to do it in the code. After username we need to give this in we need to give the password, right? So driver dot find element by dot xpath, sorry, xpath. Now I'm going to give the xpath here, then get the control return type for the password. So I'm going to send some values to the password locator by using the send keys. Okay, which is limitless coder. It's nothing but limitless coder. Now we can run the code. Yeah, it is running, right? Sorry for this. Okay, yeah, it was done. What did I give? Limitless coder. The username is type on here and the password is done here. Okay, now what about the, if we are doing it in text areas? Okay, it is easy. For button, it is also easy to finding the XPath for the button. Okay, just I'm going to type, going to get this name for button. Okay, name is an attribute name, name is an attribute name, and login is an attribute value. Okay, or you can use type is equal to submit. Okay, it is easy to pronounce. Okay, type is an attribute name and submit is an attribute value. The tag name is button, so I'm going to type this button and the rate of just type is an attribute name, then what is a submit, submit is an attribute value. Now we can get the login button, the perfect selected login button, which is here. You can see there is a one of one in this code. Now we can going copy this one and do it in the code. Driver dot find element by dot xpath, right? Now we are going to copy this one. Okay, sorry, double quotes. We are going to copy this, then we can get the return type for button. Okay, okay, for button we need to click it, right? Just I'm using the click element to click the button. Now we are going to run this code. You can see this. Sorry, I'm not getting right. Running another time. Yeah, after loading, done. Okay, yeah, it was done. Yeah, this is the main locators which are here. ID, name, class name, which are not present means we can directly go for an XPath, and remaining these four it will be done by tomorrow. Okay, it's easy to finding through the XPath. The XPath is very easy to find the locators. Now we are going to from the next classes we are going to do with it is only with the XPath. Okay, these are the simple uncommon thing, but I teach you by tomorrow. Okay, so I hope if you enjoy this video, make sure you click down below to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell and leave me a comment for more specific videos. Thank you for this video.